Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1+ area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Speaking of reports, we have a new report on a Nasdaq tech stock that just reported earnings after the bell. We like this earnings play for tomorrow. The best part, this stock is trading under $1, which is right in our wheelhouse. This stock is also on the verge of a major trendline breakout. To get the full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, today was a pretty choppy day in the markets. Almost all the names on our watch list were in the red. The good news is that I always say avoid red days and dip buying on those types of days. We're looking for momentum and want to play that momentum. Get on the wave, ride it, and get off. It's all about the P&L and not forcing trades. So if it's red, do not be going in there trying to dip buy. These names can go a lot lower than you think. So the key is playing that momentum. I talk about in the ebook, the opening range strategy. We're looking for that breakout. You want to get that. You want to be buying higher and then selling. So again, guys, do not be dip buying on a lot of these days because it's all about the momentum. And there will be times that you're going to be doing a lot of trades. Right now is just not one of those times. You want to be very selective in your trades and very selective on your watch list. But tomorrow's trading for the overall market is going to be driven by Apple's earnings, which came in after the bell, and the April non-farm payrolls report. We also have weekly option expiration, so we will see some action in the options market. Apple was trading higher in the after hours, so that's a positive sign that the market likes the report and what they heard on the earnings call. Between Microsoft and Apple, they account for about 14% of the S&P 500. So as they say, as Apple and Microsoft goes, so goes the overall market. But tomorrow, there are a few small caps I'm watching besides our Nasdaq tech stock. First up is Carvana, CVNA. Earnings came in after the bell. Losses are narrowing. $10 is the key number, and we have 50% of the float is short. There was a lot of things that the company said on the earnings release. It said here, Carvana reports best first quarter in company history for adjusted EBITDA and total gross profit per unit. CEO Ernie Garcia said the first quarter was a big step in the right direction, and there are more steps to come. Given our strong start to the year, we expect to achieve positive adjusted EBITDA in Q2 2023. It is clear our strategy and execution are working, as evidenced by our 61% increase in gross profit per unit, the best first quarter GPU in company history. That's great news. Hopefully we can really get this short squeeze tomorrow. $10 is the key number. If we get above there, this can easily run to 15-20. So be watching Carvana tomorrow for a great, looking for that right trade setup. Next up is GDC. Been making higher lows. This is a Chinese low floater with just a 960,000 share float. We've covered this one here at InsiderFinancial.com for our subscribers already. Looking here for another possibility for continuation tomorrow. GFAI, this is another past runner that we are looking at. Bounced off key support. Look at this trend line here at $5. Got a nice little bounce today. Going to be looking for continuation tomorrow. 21% of the float is short. We also have an offering was priced earlier this month. This is already priced into the market. So again, I think the worst could be over for GFAI, and this one has a history of big moves. So again, this one is one of those. Like I said, guys, you put these names on your watch list, you look for that green, and then you go in looking for that trade setup. And if you're looking for how to factor in your trade setup, sign up, get that ebook. Talk a lot. It talks all about these what trade setups are the best for you to play. Next up is XIN. This is another Chinese low floater with just 550,000 shares in the float. So unchanged here, closed up 78 cents, a little bit red on the candle, but we're going to be looking for continuation and new highs tomorrow. So certainly keep this on your radar screen, XIN. Next up is FNGR. This one's just been creeping higher since we covered it back in March. Really held that $1 trend line support, and we've just been slowly creeping higher. This has just been a great swing the past few weeks for our subscribers, and these have been few and far in between. It's been mostly a trader's market. Overnight plays, day trades, swinging good for a couple days, and that's been it. It's been, there has not been a lot of opportunities for long-term plays like this. So, FNGR has been working out really well. So let's see if this one can keep the momentum going. Next up, guys, is EDBL. No news, getting a pump after hours. Let's see how this one plays out tomorrow. Certainly getting some action. Looks like to be some FinTwit guys trying to pump it. So we'll be watching EDBL for a trade setup. But for my long-term account, I'm going to talk about two names. One I already know. First up is KRE. This is the regional bank ETF. It's down 40% this year. Bill Gross has been buying it. I'm going to start nibbling tomorrow and build a position. Can go lower, and I will buy more. I think this is it's got a 4% yield. I love dividends. You also have the regulators looking at market manipulation. I'd rather buy the ETF than individual names. I just don't want to buy that wrong regional bank stock that goes under. So I think the ETF is the way to play it. And again, this is for my long-term account, trying to give you guys, none of this is financial advice, just trying to educate you guys and keep you abreast of what I'm doing and what I'm thinking and how I'm approaching the markets. Lastly, guys, this is a name I bought today, under $30. IEP, Icahn Enterprises. They just put out a press release after the bell. The company, I got lucky, the stock rallied 10% as the company has announced they're going to pay out their $2 a unit, says it does not have a liquidity problem. Icahn he's almost 90. He's been a fighter all his life. They are in the quiet period right now before earnings next week. That's why Icahn has not gone on CNBC or Bloomberg to focus on the short and distort attack from Hindenburg. Nate Anderson, I think he's picked the wrong billionaire to mess with. Uncle Carl is a fighter. He's almost 90. I don't think he's going to go down without a fight. Being accused of running a Ponzi with his IEP. So again, this is a name I'm in. I like the dividends. Let's see how it plays out. Just absolutely gotten destroyed. I love these names that just get absolutely destroyed. To me, I think this is a great setup. And, I wish I would have bought more today, under 30. I'm not saying the worst is over. If it goes lower, I'll buy more. I'm not going to bet against Uncle Carl. So that's just me. Up to you guys to decide what you want to do. Again, none of this is financial advice. But guys, our number one trade idea for tomorrow is a Nasdaq tech stock that just released earnings after the bell. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email. You can even sign up to read the report and unsubscribe. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great night and a great trading day tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.